Zelle-Lender's credit building product reports installment loan payments to credit bureaus, and that payment history is the main factor that shows up on your credit report. By the end, you'll know what the Self-Lender card actually does, what benefits it provides, and whether it makes sense for building credit in 2026. Start with what it actually is. Self-Lender is not a traditional credit card. It works more like a credit building loan product where you make scheduled payments over time. Now explain what that means. Instead of swiping a card for purchases, you're paying down in a structured account that reports your payments. Now explain the main benefit. The biggest benefit is building installment loan history on your credit report. That matters because installment accounts are a core part of most credit scoring models. Now I explain why people confuse it with a card. People call it a card because it helps build credit, but there is no normal revolving credit card usage like spending and paying off a balance. Now break down the first real benefit. Benefit 1 is predictable credit building. You follow a fixed payment schedule, so your credit activity is consistent and easy to maintain. Now explain Benefit 2 Tile I. Benefit 2 is credit history development for beginners. If you have limited credit, adding an installment account helps diversify your credit profile. Now explain limitation. Wonder out. You do not get flexible spending power like a real credit card. There is no revolving balance you can use for purchases. Now, explain limitation. To Adao. It does not directly function as a spending tool for daily expenses or rewards. It is strictly a credit building account. Now explain who it helps most. It is most useful for people starting from little or no credit history who need structured reporting activity. Now explain who it is not ideal for. It is not necessary for someone who already has established credit cards and installment loans reporting positive history. Now give the real-world takeaway. The value comes from payment history reporting, not from card-like features. Now summarize the key points. Self-Lender is a credit-building loan product, not a traditional credit card. Its main benefit is adding structured installment payment history to your credit report. And it is most useful for beginners building their first credit profile. One practical next step. Check your current credit report first, because if you already have installment accounts, the added benefit may be smaller than expected. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of credit building tools, without the confusion.